You have to do 2 times 5 to get 10. And then 3 plus 10 is 13 minus 4 is 9. You have to do 8 divided by 4 to get 2. And then multiply it by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, minus 2 is 10. One plus 2 is 3. So 3 squared is what? 9. 9 times 3 is 27, minus 10 is 17. Four times 6 is 24. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Minus 7 is negative 2. Three plus 6 is 9. Then you have to do minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. And plus 6 is 11. You cannot do these in bunches like that. You have to go in order from left to right. Pick a number from 1 to 5. Alright, today's objective is to convert improper fractions into mixed numbers. For example, 10 over 4. How many times does 4 go into 10 without going over? 2. What's 4 times 2? Take 8 away from the 10. How many's left over? 2 over this 4. Can 2 over 4 be reduced? What number goes into both 2 and 4?
2.
So 2 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2 leaves me with what? 2.5. What numbers will go into 16 evenly? What's the first one? What's the first number that goes in evenly? Nope. 1.
3. 4.
What else? Once you reach the halfway point of the number, which 8 is half of 16, there's only one number left. Once you go beyond the halfway point. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then what? 4 does not go into 18.
6.
Yep. I can't hear you. 3 does not go into 8.
3, 4, 5, 10,
Not 20.
10,
And then 20.
3, 6,
Before 6.
4, 6,
Before 12.
8, 4, 3,
Before 6.
4, 5,
What's next?
2, 11, 22, 3,
7 doesn't go in.
5, 6, 10, 30,
Before 30.
15.
All right.
One half. One third.
Hmm?
1, 4.
4 over 5. They're both divisible by 2.
5, 6. 7, 3, 4. 4, 5. 2, 3.
On the practice problem, 8 will go into 12 once, with 4 left over. 4 over 8 reduces to a half. Answer to both problems is 11. Ten will go into 12 once, with 2 left over, and you put it over 10. 2 over 10 reduces to 1 over 5. Bring up this one, 18 over 12. And then for bonus, you can try these. On the practice problem, you should have 1 and 6 over 12, which will reduce to 1 and 1/2. 12 goes into 18 once. 12 into 18 once with 6 left over. You put the 6 over the 12 and then reduce 6 over 12. For 2, 3, and 4, you should have 1 1/2, 1 9/10, and 1 1/3. Try this one and drop it off. And then these will be for bonus. On the first one, 14 goes into 24 how many times? It goes in once, with how many left over? 10. And it goes over what? 10 over 14 reduces to what? 5 over 7. So the final answer is 1 5/7. For the rest of them, the answers should have been, for number 2, it's 1 and 4 over 6, which reduces to 1 2/3. This one is 1 and 3/15, which reduces to 1 1/5. And this one is 1 and 7 over 14, which reduces to 1 1/2.